We are currently staying in a family suite with a large balcony and a master bedroom on the NCL Aqua.
We're in room 10822, and we're going to show you the room in detail.
Hang on till the end though, because we have some very specific things about this room that we want to share with you before you actually book it.
I'm Doug, this is Leah, and we're Go Travel Life.
Okay, so this is a large family suite, category SJ, on the Norwegian Aqua. We wanted to test this out and compare it to Haven, being in a full suite. So let's just take a look here. First of all, bathroom. One of the first things that I noticed, one is the great shower size. This is nice. It's not as big as Haven, but it'll work just fine. But the bath products are the same as what's in the Haven. So the French, I think it's, whoops, sorry. Okay. And then you've got quite a bit of storage space here underneath. And I love that there's actually a decent sized trash can. So many cruise ships, they give you some tiny little thing in the bathroom. There's also a drawer over here, as well as 2 shelves for storage. So you've got room for stuff. Okay, so then let's come back out here so we can look at the main, sorry about that, room. So what's beautiful is you have all these hanging hooks. You don't have to bring hooks from home if 5 will do you. But you have this living room, right? So if you have kids, that's a pull-out couch or bed, right? Tons of room there. This vanity cabinet, I'm going to be a little bit controversial in stating that I actually like this lighting a little better than what was in the Haven, because the Haven had these like the big movie lights. Hollywood lights, yeah. And it just sort of, there was a glare. It was difficult to use. So this is nice. The other thing is this drawer. The drawer in the Haven was only a fraction of the height, so you couldn't put anything away. So all of my stuff had to sit out, which I didn't like. But anyway, I mean, this is a nice setup. Outlets, got outlets down here. We've got outlets a bit of everywhere. Blow dryer is the same quality, the Valera. And then over here, this is wonderful because the suite also gives you a coffee maker. So same setup as Haven, same brands and everything in here, right? So that's really nice for our room. And then the fridge was not stocked with anything when we got into the Haven. Obviously, everything has a price, but 2 bottles of water, if those are delivered every day, similar to Haven, that's a nice touch. And then you've got 2 big drawers out here for storage. You've got kids out here, plus the little shelves here. Now, one thing, oh yeah, USB ports on the lamps themselves. C&A, so that's nice.
On both sides.
On both sides. But this, like, this patio, if you had kids with you, hopefully you can hear. It's a bit loud out here, but check this out. I mean, what are the 2 of us going to do with all this space? I don't know, but this is nice. And there now it's not the 6-inch padded chairs that we had in Haven, but this is a nice setup. And your view over 8th floor, an infinity pool. I mean, this is great setup for a family. Okay, so let's take a look at the bedroom in here. And our champagne is chilling, which is great. Plus all of our paperwork. I'll have to go over that in a minute. 2 more waters. And then, parents, this has a door. A glorious door. Be closed when the kids go to bed. Now, this bed doesn't look like the Haven quality bed, but we'll let you know how comfortable it is. So second TV. The lights with the USB, USB-C, plus more plugs. I mean, there's more plugs back here as well. It's drawers. So yeah, good amount of storage. And then this is really cool. I mean, look at all this space. Tons of places for your stuff. And then the hanging side stuff. And what's kind of nice, I love this when they put these in closets where you can flip this down as another shelf if you don't have long dresses or whatever. Plus metal drawers down here, a couple of those. Decent amount of hangers. And then this side is where your safe, tiny little safe, and more wire drawers are down here. So yeah, umbrella, beach towels, we should be all set. This is great. I mean, this will be an interesting comparison because so far from boarding and all that, you're boarding with the Haven people. The only thing we went our separate ways when we went to the Commodore Restaurant to meet with concierge, and we had our lunch there. So far so good.
Now that you've seen the room, let's talk about some of the full suite benefits, and it's worth a look. We've shown you some of the perks like the coffee, but there's a lot more, and there's some big ones.
Yeah, so first up, private Commodore dining for breakfast and lunch. So you basically go to a main dining room for breakfast and lunch that is only open to suite guests. So it was a very quiet, personal experience. Fantastic. That same dining room is open for dinner for the rest of the ship, but you get it for breakfast and lunch. Also, a dedicated concierge, Michael. He was amazing. He met us the moment we set foot on the ship. He was waiting in the Commodore, helped us make sure all of our dining reservations and all that was set up, gave us a complete orientation of all the different benefits we were going to get. You also, as a full suite guest, get to use the pre-concierge. So you can send an email in with your room preferences, with different pillows, all that kind of stuff, specialty dining reservations. And Michael just basically handed me the sheet and said, you're all set.
Yeah.
And we got on board.
So you also get a butler, and we had a good one on this cruise. A lot of times, we get a butler, we don't use them, but our guy, he was awesome. Great. He was great this time. We also had the priority boarding, so we were able to, when we got to the terminal, we walked into the suite and Haven Lounge, and they escorted us right onto the ship.
Yep. Also, priority disembarkation at every port and at the end of the cruise. This is important. First of all, Great Stirrup Cay still does not have a working dock as of May 2026, so it's tender service. What this gives you is the ability, you don't go into the regular line. You go meet in a specific area when your party's ready to go, and as soon as they clear those tenders to go to the island, you're going to be first in line to do it. Also on ports, everybody rushes to get off the ship. Same thing. You're kind of merged into the front of the line with a priority disembarkation. So it was a really nice benefit.
Yeah, one of my favorite benefits was we like to go to shows, and for the shows that were in the main theater, you got to cut the line. You get to the special line 45 minutes before the show starts, and they let you in before anybody else, so you can get in and pick whatever seat that you want, and then 5 or 10 minutes later, they open the doors for everybody else.
Yeah. There was also Captain's Cocktail Party, and this party was commingled with Haven guests, but it was up in the observation lounge. You got to meet all the officers, toast with the cocktails. It was a fun party. Yeah,
and daily canapes, so your butler would bring food in the afternoon or drinks, whatever you wanted.
Yeah.
Nice
So
touch.
we've got the whole list up here, of course. So there are benefits. These are the benefits of the full suite. This was not the least expensive suite, to be clear, this category SJ. You could choose a cheaper category, maybe one that doesn't have the separate bedroom. But be careful, a club suite is not a full suite. So just make sure that you're choosing one that is in the full S category for suites.
Yeah, and I like that separate bedroom because our butler was able to come in every morning with coffee and croissants before we even got up, and we didn't even know it was there because the bedroom door was shut. So
nice feature.
That was nice.
All right. If you want to see our side-by-side comparison of Suite versus Haven, because a lot of the benefits overlap, check out this video here.
Yeah, and if we helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.